Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a video streaming service with Vimeo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Vimeo account if you don't already have one. Visit the Vimeo website and click on the sign up button. Choose the plan that suits your needs, whether it's basic, plus, pro, or business. Once signed in, navigate to the settings section of your account. Go to the Videos tab to begin uploading your content. Click the Upload button and select the video files you want to include. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take some time depending on your video size and internet speed. Once uploaded, click on the video's thumbnail to access the customization options. Here, you can add a title, description, and relevant tags to improve discoverability. Next, navigate to the privacy settings for each video. Decide who can watch your videos by setting them to public, private, or unlisted. After that, explore the distribution settings. You can generate embed codes or share links directly to your video. Customize your player settings according to your branding and preferences. If you wish to monetize your content, visit the monetization section. Set up your payment options and determine the pricing structure for your viewers. Next, you can integrate your Vimeo video player on your website. Navigate to the embed section under the video settings to get the embed code. Copy the provided code and paste it into the HTML of your website where you want the video to appear. Finally, test your embedded video to ensure it plays correctly. Once everything is set up, promote your video streaming service through your preferred channels. This process allows you to effectively deploy a video streaming service with Vimeo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.